you had a disease, like you had swine flu, I guess.
He got it and gave it to us.
કેમ કે સમરમાં સ્વાઇન ફ્લू था, डॉक्टर्स वर सरप्राइज कि भाई तुम कैसे स्वाइन फ्लू लेके कहाँ से आ गए.
I'll welcome the cast of Well Done CSR.
Thank you.
Jyoti, Nishma, Sayandeep and Gaurav to बातचीत.
थैंक
Yes.
यू.
Yes, કેમ છો બધા? कैसे हो?
एकदम सरस.
Very
મજામાં.
So how are the promotions going? You have been traveling so much in the promotions. कैसे चल रहे promotions?
बहुत ही हेक्टिक chaotic but बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Too much fun.
मेरा पहला दिन है. I'll gauge.
હા,
Yes,
ગુડ પ્રમોશન
Yeah.
સરસ જાય છે. યુનિવર્સિટીમાં જઈએ છે, એટલે કોચિંગ ક્લાસીસમાં જઈએ છે, અલગ અલગ જગ્યાએ પોડકાસ્ટ થાય છે. અને એઝ કેવું છે કે this is different than Gujarati. This is a Hindi film, so we are going, like they were in Chennai yesterday.
Yeah.
અમે લોકો બેંગ્લોર ગયા હતા, then we were in Pune. So going out of Gujarat doing podcast is a very different experience. So it's a different way of penetrating the audience market. So it's kind of a different way than what we are used to in Gujarati
Yeah.
films. Yeah.
So this seems a different film. ये CA पर पहली फिल्म है ऐसी जो entirely एक चीज पर बनी है. How was your experience? How was your homework when you got this film?
वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब मैं इतना क्लासेस और ये सब तो मैंने कॉलेज में भी नहीं किया जितना मैंने इस फिल्म के दौरान मैंने जो मैं क्लासेस गई हूँ, जो मैंने लोगों से बातें की है, जो मैंने एक्चुअली थोड़े बहुत बुक्स, मतलब अकाउंटिंग मैंने कॉलेज में भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं की जितने मैंने इस टाइम मेहनत से और फोकस से जो मैंने रिसर्च किया है. इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग.
मेरे लिए बिकॉज आदित्य सर जो हमारे फिल्म के राइटर है, ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ CA. सो ही यूज टू बी द वन जिनको मैं क्वेश्चन से बॉम्बार्ड करती थी कि ये कैसे क्लियर होता है, कितने साल लगते हैं, कितने अटेम्प्ट्स अलाउड है, ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड उन्होंने बहुत पेशेंटली सारे सवालों का हमें जवाब दिया है. एंड आई थिंक सो पर्सनली फॉर मी, मुझे नंबर्स समझ ही नहीं आते. I'm a words person. I can't understand numbers. So playing a character who wants to become a CA, who's aspiring to be a CA, is the closest I can get to accounting books and math books. Because I've done humanities, I've done arts, I've left math since a long time back. So it was a lot of fun, something very different that I could do. And I think the homework was pretty strong for all of us, because only when it was strong could we deliver a performance that was very, full of conviction, that we were actually students of CA aspiring to be CAs.
मेरे लिए तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी बिकॉज CAs हमने सुने हैं, तो यू नो दैट देयर आर CAs, आई हैव फ्रेंड्स दे आर CAs, बट जब इसके बारे में यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कितनी मेहनत जाती है, इट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर.
Yeah.
एंड मैंने अपने एक CA को बोला था, इट इज एक्चुअली लाइक एक्टिंग. इट्स अ वेरी पैशन ड्रिवन प्रोफेशन. हो सकता है नंबर्स है और लीगैलिटीज है, बहुत सारी चीजें, बट इट्स अ वेरी पैशन ड्रिवन थिंग. इफ यू आर नॉट पैशनेट इनफ टू बी अ CA, you won't be able to clear it because you have to study a lot and you have to go through a lot. So when I understood that, I had a new respect for like chartered accountants all over, and I think that is what we are trying to capture it in the film as well.
Yeah. यार हिंदी में यार प्रेप में तो ऐसा था कि आई थिंक टू बिगिन विथ स्क्रिप्ट वाज रिटन सो स्पेसिफिकली कि मतलब आई एम अ कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट, तो इतना वो नहीं था मेरे लिए कि चेंज के भाई ओ, बट व्हेन द राइटिंग इज गुड ना, तो क्या है कि आपका आधा काम वहीं पे हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू नो वेयर द स्क्रिप्ट इज गोइंग, यू नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. आदित्य इज अ राइटर, सर्वेश जी इज द एडिटर एंड डायरेक्टर एज वेल, so they made it quite comfortable for us before we actually go on the flow. थोड़ी reading वो सब किया, but I think the challenging part was because this is a journey of a CA, but it's not just technical. It is the perfect amalgamation of technicalities at the same time human side of CA. So I told Aditya, I said, यार तुमने CA को humanize किया है इस पिक्चर के अंदर. And when we watched the film, then we understood कि भाई what kind of product, what kind of film they've made. But getting back to the prep for the film, I have a brother who actually did CA, who never finished it. तो मारा घर ज एक example હતું. And other than that, I knew quite a lot of CAs. So वो मुझे पता था कि कैसा होता है, but वो स्पेस में जाना प्लस हम सबके कैरेक्टर्स के बैकग्राउंड अलग हैं. So I am from the very lower गांव का बैकग्राउंड. So for that, that's a new thing for me to learn as well. कि he's not like rich guy or middle class. He's from village. जहाँ पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आपको ज्यादा आइडिया आएगा. जहाँ he is the path breaker from the village. So वो सारी चीजें भी काफी समझ में आई कि भाई आ रीते करवानो आ છે. So there are like it's a very entire different universe than what I've explored in Gujarati or Hindi per se. So yeah, prep में I think these two were enough. Aditya and Sarvesh ji were enough, and the good thing was we got along from the beginning. We spent some time together, all of us, in the prep.
Yes.
So the chemistry is there, and that is what is working in the film as well. Because तीन दोस्त अलग-अलग stages of CA, तो chemistry उनकी होनी बहुत जरूरी है. So I think that is where they nailed it.
And when you are working in a script-bound film that is
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
the CA, and all of you come from theater background, and आप लोगों को improvisation होता है कि you have that कि आप improvise करते हैं चीजें. But when you are doing something that is very bound, so how do you actors train yourself for that?
नहीं, हम तो लड़ाई करते हैं आदित्य के साथ. मतलब if there is any point that we are not convinced, I'm talking about me.
Yes.
If I'm not convinced, then I'll go to Aditya. आदित्य आऊ नहीं यार, आऊ જોઈએ, आऊ करिए, because you are living the character. So sometimes you win some, you lose some, क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में फाइनल प्रोडक्ट होता है.
Yes.
तो लाइक यार ये चेंज नहीं कर सकता तू, ये यहाँ पे तुझे लिबर्टी है. सो इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक खेचा तानियों है ना कि कभी वो जीतता है, कभी हम लोग जीतते हैं. बट इट वाज ऑलवेज अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, always about the film, how to make the film better rather than an ego.
Intention was always के the product, how can we help towards it?
Because अगर बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट भी होती है ना, it is still a very collaborative process.
Yes.
क्योंकि जब आप लिखते हो स्क्रिप्ट को, then you are visualizing very differently. जब आप लोकेशन पे जाते हो, then you can actually visualize it कि how this scene would play out.
Yeah.
So जब आप लोकेशन में जाते हो, बहुत सारी चीजें उस जगह बदल जाती हैं. Then you adapt. So improvisation is also there, even in this bound script setup.
Also, as actors, at least I have learned in so many workshops, one of the most important things that they always say is that you must stay in the rhythm.
Yes.
The rhythm that has been created by the writer and director. It is very important that even if you're improvising, the improv doesn't have to come because
Just
you
go
want to
everywhere,
improv.
yeah.
It should be in the rhythm. अगर वो rhythm में होएगा तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Correct.
और अगर वो rhythm में नहीं अच्छा लगेगा तो वैसे भी वो it's going to fall flat. So that's something that
Yeah.
most actors
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
The idea is that we don't want to break the rhythm. The idea is that if it's not needed, if the biggest challenge is that you first say the line as is. If you can say it as is, then that's amazing.
Yes.
If
Yeah.
you need to change it, then you change it.
Even like the
I-
director and sorry.
Yeah, Sarvesh sir, the director, and Aditya sir, both together, they gave us a lot of freedom to experiment. And I remember before we went on floor for a scene, we would spend I think half an hour to an hour in the vanity, and we would make the scene. और ये आदित्य सर का डायलॉग था कि चलो सीन बनाते
चलो
Which I
बनाते हैं.
hated.
हैं.
मैंने बोला लिखा तो है, but
And then,
yeah, but I think sorry.
So that's what ये वो जो हमारा जो टाइम था वो आधा घंटा 1 घंटा जब हम वैनिटी में बैठते थे तभी हम काफ़ी इम्प्रोव भी करते थे. मेरे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सीन्स गोपाल दत्त सर के साथ है. सो हमें सीन्स में मिली थी वो फ्रीडम कि इफ़ वी वांट टू चेंज समथिंग तो वी कैन चेंज इट
वो सबको
बेस्ड
मिली
ऑन
थी,
कि हाँ
वो सबको मिली थी. हमने
एग्जैक्टली
बहुत बैक एंड फोर्थ करके then we would actually shoot.
या
You saying?
Now I was saying कि वही सर्वेश सर और आदित्य, इवन श्री सर जो हमारे डीओपी है, लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स उन्होंने चीजें बदली हैं बिकॉज दे फील लाइक कि दिस वुड वर्क बेटर जो एक्टर्स से आई है. सो इट हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव प्रोसेस
Yeah.
फॉर एवरी साइड, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई थिंक यू मेक अ फिल्म. You know, it has to come all together.
And sometimes I'm going to be honest about my side. Sometimes what happens कि अमुक वस्तु एवी है, कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जिससे आप अग्री नहीं करते हो. I mean, I recently saw this interview of शाहरुख खान and Rakesh Roshani documentary.
Yes.
जहाँ पे शाहरुख खान said that I did not believe in the concept of Karan Arjun.
Karan Arjun.
Reincarnation. I thought that was a funny thing and everything. And when he did the film, when he saw the film, then he said, I touched his feet. I'm yet to touch Aditya and Sarvesh's feet. But few things I was not quite convinced with. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैरेक्टर्स बैकग्राउंड समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन पेपर कभी कभी वो ऐसा लगता है यार ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, वो व्हेन यू देन एज एन एक्टर यू हैव नथिंग, नो चॉइस बट टू छल्ले फाइनली डंडो तो हमनो जो है ना, सो यू ऑलवेज एंड अप डूइंग व्हाट डायरेक्टर and writers want you to do.
Yes.
You do it. Or when I watched the film on the final edit, then I had this newfound respect for both of them. कि यार तुम लोगों ने जो किया है ना, शायद मैं वो टाइम पे समझ नहीं पाया, शायद वो टाइम पे मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा रैशनल था और मेरी रैशनैलिटी कम करनी थी. सो दैट इज़ द रियलिटी चेक और वेकअप कॉल दैट आई हैड रिसीव्ड, दैट कभी कभी चीज़ें ना समझ में आए ना तो भी कर देनी चाहिए. So this is what my take away from this film. Yeah.
Beautiful. So I heard about the film when it was in the making that you had a disease, like you had swine flu.
Yeah. I can.
He got it.
I can.
Gave it to us.
Yes, I cannot thank
He was
my.
the pioneer.
नहीं, I cannot thank my makeup
He was the
artist.
pass वाला.
वो actually.
So bad.
Oh, that was actually really funny. No, that was really funny. Please.
He said he was the pass wala.
Yeah, he did pass it.
हाँ, exactly. आलों को जुड़े वैसे
So
ही.
bad is good.
But I think makeup वाली लेडी के मैंने कहा हाथों वाले I don't know where I got it from, क्योंकि समर में स्वाइन फ्लू था, डॉक्टर्स वर सरप्राइज कि भाई तुम कैसे स्वाइन फ्लू लेके कहाँ से आ गए. ये भी एक बे दिवस हमें शूट करी हो तो. But then one fine day I told him, I was like Aditya, I have to go to the hospital because मुझे नहीं लग रहा मैं अभी सर्वाइव कर पाऊंगा. मैं मुझसे खड़ा नहीं हुआ जा रहा था. तो वो भी एक शॉर्ट हमने ट्रेलर में नाखी होती थी, हमारा वार आखा खराब से स्वाइन फ्लू में. तो that happened and that is the time when I think we did not know.
No.
पहला
we
तो
were falling sick.
सयान को तो पता भी नहीं था. सयान was the last one to know I had swine flu. सयान मेरे साथ कार में बैठा था and I think I must have Jyoti is the second one to get it, but they thought, which we did not know, they thought film is gonna shut.
Yes.
It's an indie
Yeah.
film, limited budget. तुम्हारा अब मेरे बगैर बहुत सारे सीन नहीं होते, अब मेरे साथ ज्योति चली गई तो और कम, ये भी गया. तो
नहीं,
मतलब
उनकी
तुम क्या ही
planning
शूट
थी कि
करोगे.
गौरव नहीं है, चलो ज्योति के सीन्स करते हैं. अच्छा ज्योति भी गई, चलो सयान के. अच्छा सयान भी गया, अब क्या करें?
हाँ
And that's where we
Just
came.
dominoes effect.
And it was
Yeah.
Then you-
Gopal Dutt sir and my scenes were taken because
Yeah.
we were safe.
तो
from
I
that.
think and
I
the,
clearly remember Aditya calling me one day in my hotel room where we were like पड़े हुए थे हम लोग, and he was like हमारा S1N1 परिवार बढ़ता ही जा रहा है.
so and it was just very strange because મારું બધું ટેસ્ટ કરાવી કોવિડ આ તે બધું નેગેટિવ, એટલે 9:30 વાળા को હોસ્પિટલમાં આવ્યા ને મને બાટલા ચડાવ્યા હતા. તો એમ કે સર ટેન્શન लो, सब कुछ ठीक है, आप कल आ सकते हो. मैंने बोला अरे वाह ग्रेट. फिर 1 घंटे बाद मैसेज आया H1N1 पॉजिटिव. एवरीथिंग चेंज दैट
Yeah.
नाइट. और मैं फिर आई थिंक 5 से 6 दिन हॉस्पिटल में था. I think they were not in the hospital, they actually had
We have better
He had the worst
isolation.
of it because उसको
Isolation.
सबसे पहले ही had it.
but पर आप जब पिक्चर देखते हो ना तो यू कांट टेल कि भाई आटली बड़ी मुसीबतों पड़ी है. तो इसी का नाम तो इंडी फिल्म है.
Hmm.
और आज ही हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि वी आर सो प्राउड दैट इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग दैट आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है.
Correct.
आई नो इवन आई हैव अ फ्यू ऑफ माइंड, बट आई नो सो मेनी पीपल जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई है, बड़ी बनाई है, पर कभी वो स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ पाई,
Yes.
या आती है तो 2-3 साल के बाद आती है, या तो फिर एक्सपायर हो जाती है कि भाई 5 साल हो गए अभी ओटीटी पे भी नहीं आएगी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टच वुड, दिस इज आवर stars would have been great that this film is releasing, and now the reviews they're getting is just so. जो भी हुआ ना वो टाइम पे एक्सीडेंट, वो आई थिंक ऊपर वाले की देन थी कि पिक्चर कंप्लीट हुई H1N1 के साथ, लिमिटेड बजट के साथ, एंड द ब्यूटी वाज वी कंप्लीटेड दैट इन द सेम नंबर ऑफ डेज. मतलब 25 दिवस होए ना, 26 दिवस नहीं गया, भले 2 दिवस शूट बंद रहे हो तो 25 दिवस में पूरी
Covered
करी.
it.
But as an actor, when you are committed to this project, but health आपके बीच में आ जाती है, तो how much frustrating it is as a person के तमें I want to go to the set but I can't do it.
नहीं, आई नेवर वांटेड टू गो टू द सेट बिकॉज मैं स्वाइन फ्लू हुआ उससे पहले मैं हीरो बन गया था. कि मैं कॉलेज में था GLS में, तो मैंने उनको बोला कि भाई आई हैव फीवर, तो सलाइन लगाओ, तो डॉक्टर आ गया था, सलाइन लगावी ने बाटला ચડાવ્યા, પછી મેં મારા શોટ આપ્યો, મને એમ કે વાયરલ હશે થઈ જશે, તો એ બધું મેં કર્યું. પછી ત્રીજે દિવસે જે મારી હાલત હતી ને, तब मैं खुद डर गया, क्योंकि मैं सामने से कभी नहीं बोलता कि मुझे हॉस्पिटल लेके चलो. मैं बोल सकता था डॉक्टर के पास लेके चलो, मैंने बोला हॉस्पिटल लेके चलो, विच मीन्स इट वॉज वेरी सीरियस. फिर 103 पॉइंट कुछ बुखार आया. बट जब ये सब डिटेक्ट हुआ वो सब, तो आई वाज स्कैर्ड बिकॉज H1N1 इज वेरी लाइक वी डिड नॉट नो, क्योंकि सीरियस वस्तु है, डॉक्टर्स के रिएक्शन देख के ऑर्डर लगता है कि H1N1 और इतना सीरियस, तो आई वाज स्कैर्ड एज वेल. और अहमदाबाद એટલે મારું ફેમિલીનું બી કોઈ નહીં પાછું ને ઘરેથી કોઈને બોલાવાય નહીં. સો आदित्य एंड दोस पीपल सेड कि भाई इनको थोड़ा जल्दी छोड़ो, एंड डॉक्टर सेड कि ये चल नहीं पा रहा है, कैसे छोड़ेंगे इसको. तो मेरा ऐसा था कि यार मैं पहले तो कंटेजियस होके जाना नहीं चाहता सेट पे कि किसी और को और बीमार कर दूं. ये पहली चीज़ थी. सेकंड चीज़ कि मुझे पता मेरी फिजिकल कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है, तो मुझे लगा 1-2 दिन लेट होगा तो होगा, पर मैं तभी जाऊंगा जब मैं शूट कर पाऊँ, क्योंकि मैं एक दिन जाके वापस नहीं आना चाहता. तो मैं जल्दी में नहीं था, पर 5 दिन लिए. फिर छठे दिन से खाना ज़्यादा शुरू किया ताकि तुम्हारी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग हो. सो डिफ़िकल्टी से ज़्यादा आई थिंक आपको पता है, जब आप व्हेन यू मेक अ फिल्म ना, यू आर ऑन अ डिफरेंट हाई. जो आप रियल लाइफ में रिस्क नहीं लेते ना, वो फिल्म शूटिंग में ले लेते हो. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट केप्ट मी गोइंग. मैं रियल लाइफ में शायद 15 दिन तक नहीं उठूंगा हॉस्पिटल से बाहर, पर बिकॉज शूट था, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी वॉज राइडिंग, एंड बिकॉज 50-100 लोग वेट कर रहे थे मेरे ठीक होने की. तो इट्स अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट यू हैव टू टेक अप. तो वो टाइम पे वो प्रेशर ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ. तुमने नेचुरल जो तुम्हारे अंदर स्ट्रेंथ देता ना ऊपर वाला, वही थी. सो या
Yes, so you people were also in the isolation.
Correct.
So what was your feeling at that time?
I want to narrate the story of when the day we fell sick. So
Are you gonna? Is it gonna?
yes.
Oh God.
Gaurav was sick on the first day.
Why are you
And Gaurav का
laughing?
हमको पता चल गया था, चलो he's not well, हॉस्पिटल गया है, ये है वो है. अब हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि हम बीमार पड़ रहे हैं. We have no idea because we don't know yet कि he has. We just know that he's got very high fever and he reached the hospital because उसको ड्रिप चढ़ा था. But we didn't know the details. अब मुझे लगने लगी बहुत, मतलब गर्मी भी लग रही है, 46-47 डिग्रीज भी था, वो भी चल रहा था. तो हाँ, and we've all just met. We don't know each other that well yet. तो अभी हम बैठे हैं, तो he and I are sitting. And I'm like, यार मेरा सर दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, वैसे हैंडल नहीं हो रहा है. And I couldn't understand कि हो क्या रहा है. And Sayan is like, आप बहुत सोच रहे हो, आप you're letting it get to you. आप मैनिफेस्ट करो कि आप अभी कश्मीर में बैठे हो और ऐसे बर्फ पड़ी है और बहुत, and मैं ना ऐसे बैठी हूँ ऐसे, अब मैं इसको जानती भी नहीं, to really tell him what I feel. I'm like हाँ. और साथ में ही सिटिंग ऐसे पूरा वेल ड्रेस्ड,
Advice of the year.
विद अ वेरी बिग फैन, वाइट फैन अपने ऊपर पूरा ना.
आप कश्मीर में हो
कि ऐसे आप कश्मीर में हो, ऐसे मतलब फैन ऑफर भी नहीं किया उसने मुझे एक बार कि थोड़ी आप हवा ले लो, नहीं कुछ नहीं.
नहीं मैंने किया था.
नहीं. फिर मैं
नहीं.
इतनी परेशान हो गई ना, ऐसे अभी मैं इसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकती, तो ऐसे इतना धूप आ रही है, मैं उठ के अपनी कुर्सी बनाए अलग, तो ये वहां पर भी आ गया. नहीं मैं आपको क्या बोल रहा हूँ ना,
ज्योति बहुत जल्दी ट्रिगर हो जाती है, और ये मैंने थ्रूआउट शूट बहुत क्योंकि इट्स सो ट्रू, बिकॉज़ आती थी बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत ठंडी लग रही है, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है.
ठंडी तो कभी नहीं लगी.
एसी. तो या we have
And so he went on कि it's in your head. जब शाम को पता चला, ऐसे मैं ऐसे बेड पे I was dead and they said आपको swine flu है. I said somebody go and tell Sayar I have
and
swine flu.
I came to
manifestation did not work.
I
I
came to
was
her
not
room
acting.
and I laughed.
God.
I laughed. She was lying down on the bed. I said, "Do say," and then I walked off.
Yeah, and next day he also had it.
Next day,
But I was like, I was not imagining it. I was really
Into
Of
it.
course.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
And they all thanked me after that.
so that was our experience.
Yeah.
But such things you can't avoid, you know, because
You didn't get it, no?
after
No.
है तो you can't really avoid it. And I think it is more power to the producers because
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
smartly maneuvered it.
They managed it.
कि आप ये 3 लोग यहाँ पे हैं तो what are the other chunks, क्योंकि आप locations पहले से लॉक कर देते हो,
हाँ.
so आपका schedule in place है.
Yeah.
तो जब आपके 3 actors ऐसे उनको swine flu हो गया है, so maneuvering that is a smart game, and I think that the production team did a fantastic job.
And और I think जब swine flu हुआ, I think when he got to know, तो I think he's very जो बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा पहले neat and clean, तो सेट पे सैनिटाइजर मंगवा लिया इसने सबको, फिर मास्क पहनना शुरू कर दिया, तो luckily it didn't spread. I think एक आधी AD को हुआ था, it didn't spread so badly because there was a chance that it could. और अगर कोई और बीमार होता तो खत्म हो जाती बात.
There were too many comical things. मतलब actually it was like हमको ऐसा लग रहा था कि अभी we didn't know we are sick. ये अपना ड्रिप के साथ आके ड्रिप निकाल के शॉट दे रहा है, सब ये कर रहा है तो हमको तो करना
Push
ही
shot
पड़ेगा.
में you have after the film releases,
वो ड्रिप निकाल के
इतना
वो शॉट तो ऐसे
गौरव आया सेट पे, हमने बोला क्या कैरेक्टर पकड़ के आया है यार, क्या सुर पकड़ा है। और वो गर्मी से एकदम पसीने से बिकॉज ऑफ फीवर इज कम एंड लाइक व्हाट ग्रेट, व्हाट अ परफॉर्मर,
Yeah.
एंड दैट इंस्पायर्ड अस
The
to get
passion
this.
you need to be a CA
Yeah.
is the
is the
passion.
passion.
You need
so much that we got the swine flu also. We took it.
So, Nishma, you have so many scenes with Gopal sir.
Yes.
And he is a theatre legend. And how was your experience with Gopal sir?
Did he talk to you?
No, he did. Actually, it was amazing, the entire experience. Because फिल्म में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोल पाऊँगी हमारे कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में, बट बिकॉज वी हैव टू शो दैट वी हैव अ गुड बॉन्डिंग इन द फिल्म, तो इसीलिए द सीन्स एंड ऑल इट वेंट सो स्मूथली. हम लोग साथ में रीडिंग्स करते थे, इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस लगी तो हम एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्कस करके करते थे. एंड देन आई रिमेंबर दिस वन पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट दैट आई रियली वुड वांट टू शेयर. हमारा शूट चल रहा था उदवाड़ा, जो गांव है गुजरात में, वहाँ पे. एंड वहाँ पे आर कॉल टाइम वॉज अराउंड 7 in the morning, और बस सेटअप चल रहा था वो लोकेशन का. तो मैं और गोपाल सर हम लोग कार में थे, तो उन्हें पता चला कि सेटअप चल रहा है, तो अभी वी स्टिल हैव हाफ एन आवर बिफोर वी नीड टू बी ओवर देयर एंड गेट आवर मेकअप एंड एवरीथिंग डन. तो ही वॉज लाइक बीच पे चलना है. So it's like ठीक है, and the beach was 5 minutes from the location. So we asked our driver and he took us to the beach, and it was such a clean beach over there. इतना peaceful कि लोग,
beautiful city.
yeah, people are jogging,
Very
people
nice,
are sitting having tea, and there were these bunch of boys. They were playing cricket. And I saw Gopal sir rushing to them, and they were like, "मुझे एक ball खेलना है." And then he played an over. He was batting. So it was a lot of fun. I think.
But your
उन्होंने-
chemistry came out really well on screen.
Because the bonding was there. He did talk to me, and it was great actually. It was a lot of
But
fun.
he's also really good at his craft.
Yeah.
He's also someone who just brings that in
Yeah.
the moment, which is a lot to
No, but I think what happens that you might be the genius, but अगर chemistry नहीं है ना,
हाँ.
तो फिर वो one off लगता है कि
No,
ये
but
बहुत
there
अच्छा
are
है.
some actors, in my experience, I've worked with many, but there are some actors who know how to bring it on. Even in that moment, they make you so comfortable
हाँ,
in the
that's what I'm
moment.
saying. So chemistry,
as
that's
a
why,
co-actor. So
yeah.
they can do it. They don't have to speak to you beyond maybe, or you sometimes you just have that one day with an actor,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
And in that one day, you've not met before, and you've met on set, but somehow they are such a good co-actor on screen
Yeah.
that the magic
Yeah.
just works.
Yeah.
Because they make
With-
you feel so
and
comfortable.
All of us, I think.
Yeah.
Sorry, go on.
And he was very cooperative. I didn't feel like it was going in like a one direction way, you know, because if he felt कि I could do something in a different way, he would always tell me, and he would always suggest, but then he would also share कि I am doing it this way, is it comfortable for you? So you know, all of that
Yeah.
in such a way, it was very very
Well,
cool.
Gopal sir never came with on camera. I've never seen him carrying the baggage. You know, બધા આપણા જે senior લોકો હોય, usually અમુક ગુજરાતીમાં હોય, હિન્દીમાં હોય. So when they are on set, there is always that baggage, and then they never lose their persona that is off camera. And then as co-actors, you have to be really careful touching him or hugging the person or talking. But with Gopal sir, that was not the case. With he was very comfortable, and he never said कि भाई ऐसा मत कर वैसा मत कर. He will let you be. तुम फ्री हो, तुमको जो करना है, तुम ये करना है, वो करना है. So that way, there was a lot of freedom that was given to us. Considering the amount of seniority that he has, we still felt pretty free. And that's why when I see the film, if you ask me what works, I say writing, direction, editing, सब कुछ beautiful है. But what works for me is chemistry. Every character is
Or
chemistry.
also because
Yeah.
I feel that it was a new team. Most of us were also new, so I think the passion was so strong from every team member to all of us that I think that also essentially we all just had a great time on set. We could say whatever we wanted to each other. We had our arguments, we had jokes, we had everything, and we really had such a good time that I think was
like કેવું છે ખબર કે I don't want to fabricate anything, but કેવું છે ખબર ઝઘડા भी થાય आदित्य जोड़े के आदित्य के जोड़े कि भाई क्रिएटिव जो डिस्कशन होते हैं पर वो वहां तक ही होते हैं कि भाई मुझे लग रहा है ये, वो बोला नहीं सर ये फिर सर्वेश सर आते हैं, उनका कुछ और होता है, वो ही वाज अ पीस मेकर के अरे आप लोग कर लो मैं देख लूंगा ये सब है. तो वो सारी चीजें होती थी, बट एवरीथिंग वाज फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द फिल्म. But when I saw the film, the chemistry that we all have,
because we all laughed, we were always laughing on the set in
But it
whatever
doesn't happen.
situation. We were
I'm
just
telling
laughing
you,
and having a great time at whatever.
it doesn't happen too often in the film that सबकी केमिस्ट्री मैच होती है. It doesn't quite happen.
And so we'll talk के film बन गई, you dubbed for it, and then you're waiting for the release. What is that time? वो time कैसे कटता है? Because and not only films, in general projects that you have done, you are very confident of the projects that you have done your best, you have given your 200%, but they are not coming on the screen. What is that time? How do you feel?
Sayan will take that.
It doesn't bother me क्योंकि मेरा काम शिद्दत से उस प्रोजेक्ट को करना होता है. आफ्टर दैट इट इज नॉट इन माई कंट्रोल.
Yes.
Everything is out of my control. So something which is not in my control, I can't wreck my brains on it. जब रिलीज के टाइम पे प्रोजेक्ट आता है then you are nervous about it because nervousness आती है कि will the audience like it?
Yeah.
How is it looking? Will we connect the way we wanted to connect with the characters? Are they looking nice? Very technical and feel emotional level पे आती है. But apart from that, for me, I finish my project. I try to detach from it.
Yeah.
And when the release happens, then whatever happens, it's good because your expectations are I've done my job well. Now it is not in my control, and then you have to give it away to the.
Yeah.
And then you run for 15 kilometers. Sayan is actually he loves exercising. तो ये अपना अहमदाबादમાં 10-15 કિલોમીટર દોડવા જતો હતો shooting because this was his first time in Ahmedabad and he used to love આપણું riverfront.
Riverfront,
એ બધી જગ્યા. So he used to love and these two are foodie. So they used to go out and explore different kind of food and પછી મને આવે ને કે हम लोगों ने ये खाया वो खाया. So there's a lot of places they explored. Even I haven't explored those places.
Jyoti loved the pineapple sandwich,
Oh
which
God.
is
No, I didn't.
Manek
Definitely
shop.
she did not.
પછી અમારા ડિરેક્ટર છે he
है ना?
liked jamun shots.
Oh,
So
he
he
loves
jamun
shots.
Aditya,
Sarvesh
our
loves
writer, he loves the pineapple sandwich.
sandwich.
Yeah, with that cheese.
Really?
Yeah, ask.
Did he ask you to say this? Did he
No,
ask you to
see,
say this?
It's fantastic. Chocolate.
Chocolate sandwich is actually not bad. Cheese chocolate,
So
no.
we all went to those places. So I think I mean, eventually it's like a team building thing as well. But eventually, like but it all works good for the
नहीं यार
film.
हमारे लिए तो ऑर्गेनिक था ऐसा
देखो.
नहीं है.
So
For me it was organic यार.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि टीम
Actually, the
बिल्डिंग
best
के लिए
times
नहीं
we
गया.
have had is also when we are not shooting and we are sitting in the rooms and discussing कि आज
Yeah.
ये हुआ आज हमने यहाँ खाना खाया आज यहाँ गए. So those moments were also very
Yeah,
memorable.
yeah.
Because we were there
Because we
together
know
for a
we
month.
only had each other.
But Manek Chowk is the only place where we all went.
We all
Yeah.
did,
बाकी बता के बाद छूटा छवाया जाए कि
Jamun
अभी ये
shot.
दोनों अभी ये तीन.
Beautiful.
मैं तो ये
And
नाम
abhi during
मारेगा.
the promotions, we've discovered a brand new Ahmedabad thanks to Nishma. We were like, "तू ठीक है?"
I was like, they've seen a very different Ahmedabad.
What?
Wait.
What?
Yeah,
What?
Yeah.
we went to
I
some amazing
Took them
restaurants.
to
साथ
places
नहीं
and
थी,
they were
तब तो
like,
swine
But now we found her and now we're like, Nishma, what should we do for this? What should we do?
yeah, I think every day there's one
We are
call when we're in
discovering
Ahmedabad.
a
कि
brand
breakfast
new
करने कहाँ
Ahmedabad.
जाए,
So
dinner
we
करने
are
कहाँ जाए.
growing with this film. Like the city is
Yeah.
growing on us
Yeah.
with the film. Every time we come back, there's something new that we discover over here.
So yes, you had a very successful film last time.
Yes.
Your last film was very successful,
Thank you.
and you have a very beautiful film coming in next few days. But I wanted to ask you that when you are doing promotions for one film, your film is running in the theater, you are doing promotions for another film.
Yeah.
So, do the worlds coincide, and how as an actor do you take that?
So actually, Brahm released first, right? And then we did great promotions for Brahm. We went to a lot of places. We went for theatre visits. And pachi, I was told that we're starting promotions for Well Done Caesar. So the first thing I did was I called up Aditya sir and I was like, please brief me about my character once again. Because I really need to get back to Kirti, because Kirti too now on board. So I need both of them to be with me all through those days that we're promoting. It does get a little hectic, but both the teams are so collaborative that if I do need some adjustments, it's always done, and it's done with such a free heart. And I think it's almost every actor's dream कि તમે બે films સાથે you're promoting
Nah.
and I mean,
Never.
for me it is at least, and I'm especially grateful कि when Well Done CA Saab releases this Friday, Brahm will also be in cinemas and it'll be entering
so
its
nice.
6th week.
So nice.
So I think that's amazing. And now that we go to promote CA Saab, today only, this morning, it happened that people came up and they said, we've seen this film. We've seen Brahm.
And so
that's-
unplanned.
And so
It just
unplanned,
happens,
extremely.
Just like
so-
babies. Yeah.
So natural. So that was, it's beautiful, and I think I'm extremely grateful for this feeling.
But I think with her, you know what happened? Her promotions didn't overlap. एक खत्म हुआ, and then she jumped into this. So and Brahm is working, so એના માટે હવે Brahm promote કરવાની એને જરૂર નથી. So she can switch. પણ એક સાથે બે ત્રણ વસ્તુ હોય ને,
हाँ.
then it's a nightmare to do that because you can't do justice to everything. અને આની આ date એ બધું હોય. અને I think it's not about character getting mixed up. It's about giving justification to each film that you've done. Because कई बार तुमको वो भी देखना पड़ता है, इस पिक्चर में 3 एक्टर है, इस पिक्चर में एक ही एक्टर है, तो मुझे यहाँ ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. ये यहाँ एक नेशनल लेवल की पिक्चर, एक डोमेस्टिक लेवल की पिक्चर है, तो it's very difficult, and I've never had this before. But when I'm experiencing this, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है it's not a good space to be in, because I would rather do justice to one film at a time rather than બે જગ્યાએ જવાનું. એટલે બહુ મારા માટે મેન્ટલી બી હેક્ટિક થઈ જાય. અને કેવું છે કે યુ કોન્સ્ટન્ટલી લાઈક ઇન आई थिंक इट फील्स मोर लाइक 90s के जो एक्टर्स करते थे कि एक दिन में 2 या 3 शिफ्ट करके अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते थे. मुझे वैसा लग रहा है. सो आई डोंट क्वाइट एंजॉय हैविंग 2 promotions in the same time.
And when you are giving interviews for 2 different films, then you are getting into the skin of both the characters.
नहीं. Now when I've left the character when I did the film. So now I'm me. You know, my character VS is not like this. I'm me. तो અત્યારે હું just when I promote the other film, I'll still be me because I can't relive the character. उसका look अलग था, body अलग थी, बोलने की मतलब लहका अलग था. So I can't recreate that, and I'd rather not. I do not bring my characters when I give interviews. वो वहीं पे खत्म हो जाते हैं फिल्म और प्रोजेक्ट के टाइम पे, and I do not portray them when I'm giving interviews. Yeah.
So how much important it is to get detached from a character, because in theater when you are doing a character, जितने plays होते हैं उतने टाइम आप वो character को play करते हो. That character becomes a part of your life. अगला play नहीं होता या फिर ये play को हम लोग retire नहीं करते तब तक. तो how do you toggle या फिर get out of the character and get into another character?
I think that's the job.
Yeah, that is part and
Because
parcel.
that is the job, because if you get too attached to it, you might not be able to do what you need to do for the character.
Exactly.
It is such a counter reactive even for the part you're playing. And I think that's the job.
That's why it's a practice.
Yeah.
Because when you start, at least when I started off, but that's what all my co-actors have shared, that when you start off even with a play, जब वो शुरू में जब प्ले खत्म होता है, you are depressed because
Yeah.
आपकी एक फैमिली होती है, आप 2 महीने रिहर्स कर रहे थे, and suddenly there's a void, and you're
Huge.
just nobody's in touch because सबके किसी के काम, किसी का कुछ, and it's the same thing on a set. You go on a set, it is such a happy, high, constant doing, and आप वो खत्म हो जाता है आपका character, and you come back home and you're like, where did everybody go? And you don't know when you're going to get your next job. You don't know when will that play happen, or when will you get another call. So that's something that's your practice as an actor. With time, you just have to learn to let it get.
And detachment also
detached,
creates
yeah.
an openness, and that openness helps you to explore so much more.
Yeah.
So the moment you realize that, I feel like
One of my
you would like to do
directors
that.
had said to me during the very first play when I said, "Sir, what? I mean, this is so depressing. This waiting." He said, "But that's the best time for an actor. That's when you grow."
Grow.
So
Exactly.
what is the
Learn so
question
much.
that you have? Like how do you,
Detachment.
How?
much important
How do you
is
toggle
that?
between
how much important or how do you detach? What's the
Yes.
question?
So both are the part of one question, is that how much important it is to get detached from a character and how do you do that?
वो तो I think हर एक्टर की अलग अलग
It's a
प्रोसेस
job.
होती
It's
है.
a
I
part.
think
That's
Yeah.
what
it's a part, but I think
practice ही यही है आपका इतने
every
सालों का,
it
कि how
depends
you
on
get-
how you are as an actor, how involved you get into the part. But બધાનું અલગ અમુક લોકો કેવું હોય કે they don't get really attached to it, and some people get so into it that it takes them a while to get out of it. એટલે મારું I think genuinely શું થાય કે I think it takes me 2-3 days to get into the skin of the character after the shoot. 2 या 3 दिन के बाद मुझे वो चीज़ फील होनी होती है, because then you the whole surrounding is real to you. पहले 1-2 दिन टाइम लगता है, बट व्हेन यू फिनिश द फिल्म देन आई थिंक 2-3 दिन लगते हैं, यू गो थ्रू दिस होल विथड्रॉल सिम्टम्स एंड एवरीथिंग, देन यू स्टार्ट, I think we get used to it. Then you start getting back to your normal life. And when I see my part in CA or Deda or Sangvi and Sons, I don't relate to any of them. तो अभी वो पता नहीं कहाँ वो naturally छूट जाते हैं. I don't relate to any. That's what I'm saying. I can't replicate it anymore. अगर बोले भी तो भी मुझसे नहीं होगा. So वो gradually होता है मेरे साथ. Yeah.
So I have a little game for you.
Okay.
The film is called Well Done CA Saab,
Yeah.
जिसमें you people have CA बनना is an achievement. So I have a question. I'll start from you. What was that moment that you told yourself, "Well done, Jyoti"?
Oh wow. Right. धमाकेदार question.
क्वेश्चन हाँ सोचना पड़ेगा ये तो.
In life,
In life.
January, actually, it's a perfect timing for me. January 2025, overnight I ended up going for the Jaipur International Film Festival for our film.
Okay.
Aditya called me and said, आप आ सकते हो क्या, आना है क्या आपको रेड कार्पेट पे? ऐसे भी ये कैसा सवाल है अभी, you know, you're thinking about it.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I went on a one-way ticket because we didn't know, because our red carpet was one day and then the screening was 5 days later.
Okay.
So since it was so last minute, we didn't know. I didn't know how I was going. I said, ठीक है मैं आ रही हूँ, फिर देखते हैं. And we ended up staying for the entire 5 days. And at the end of those 5 days, when I was leaving on the flight back, I said to myself, well done, Jyoti. Because that experience of 5 days was for me self-validation, which
Yes.
I got the first time in my life, where I gave it to myself. I didn't need anyone else to give me that validation. From there on, I've had it many times, but that was the first time.
Yes.
For me, I don't think there's any one particular moment where I would have said that to myself. But I think this year, till now, I think that has been very fruitful for me, very fulfilling. I think after Brahm released and when Well Done CA Saab was planning to be released, and then we started promotions, and this year, early this year, I shot for another film that might release later this year or next year. So overall, that has been very fruitful, but I don't think there's been any one particular moment where I would have told myself that maybe I will tonight.
Yes.
मैंने जब पहली बार बिरयानी बनाया, I am serious because it is such a, it has so many layers and process to it. तो मुझे नहीं लगा था कि वो अच्छा बन के निकलेगा. And when I tasted it and when everybody loved it, I told myself that well done, Sam.
No, but we can't believe this answer until you make us taste it.
Okay, sure, we'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I never said well done, Jyoti. So यार मारो तो I think when I was 2010 में, I think when I had my first radio jockey job in Australia. So when I was on a train station, I had a phone call that you are hired, because I auditioned for it. So you're hired. I think that is the moment where I felt like if I have a moment of well done, Gaurav, then that has to be it, because I've never topped that. After that, I never felt 50% of what I felt that day. So I think it has to be that moment when I felt like, wow, you know, it's just crazy good, yeah.
All right. So for the second game, you have 30 seconds. Nishma has played this game. 30 seconds, you have to tell about your character.
तो निश्मा का टाइम कम करो.
20
Tell about
हाँ,
your
वैसे भी
character.
मैं ज़्यादा बहुत नहीं शेयर
अभी
कर
उस तरह
पाऊंगी,
से
so
start
ठीक
करो
है.
ना, सब मेरे से
Yes,
start हो
आपसे
रहा है.
हाँ, yes.
इतना
Yeah,
pressure.
what?
Explain your character in 30 seconds.
But who's keeping the track?
I'll be keeping it.
Okay.
तू अपना काम करना.
टाइम स्टार्ट कर.
क्यों? मेरे टाइम कम हो गए, मेरी 10 सेकंड कम हो गई है.
हाँ, चलो.
शुरू करें?
Yes.
His name is Vidyasagar Shastri. VS उसका नाम है, and उसको उसके दोस्त बोलते हैं. He is in Ahmedabad, एक गामथीच है, और very unfiltered guy. I think it's just जो मुंह पे होता है वो बोल देता है. Emotional but keep things to the surface. ज़्यादा दिखाता नहीं है. Caring, but as I said, he's very guy, which means that he's got very high EQ, but he doesn't show it.
Okay.
Yeah, and his desire is to change his own village, जहाँ से वो आता है. तो he's gifted because he's great with numbers, but he wants to use it for the right reasons. And he is in the foundation of CA. अपने आप को पहली बार अहमदाबाद में explore कर रहा है with CA, and then you see the story, what happens to him.
Great.
Siddharth is. Oh, you. Great time. Oh, you're starting from.
Yes.
Siddharth is everyone who is confused between finding what really that person wants to pursue. And I think मैं confused था जब मैं स्कूल से निकला था कि what I want to do. I want to be an actor, but कोई ऐसा कोर्स नहीं है, अंडर ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स नहीं है जो एक्टिंग करने के लिए आपको and pushes you. So all the courses are PG courses. So I think Siddharth is everybody who's confused between 2 things, 3 things, 4 things, that I'm passionate about this and that, trying to find your own voice. And that's all I want to give about Siddharth.
Amazing. You had exact 31 seconds.
Wow.
You had 43.
ग्रीष्मा का उसमें से
मेरा 12 सेकंड का कट कर देना।
Yes.
I'm playing Kirti's role, and Kirti has just finished her 12 boards, and now she aspires to be a CA. She's innocent, she's full of passion, ambition, and I'd say she's a daydreamer. I think anybody who's an optimist dreamer would just believe in Kirti and her character, and Kirti's character would give a lot of belief to their dreams also.
Amazing.
33.
28.
Less 23.
Whoa.
Perfect. No, not bad actually.
Great.
Yes.
So I play Mithila. She is the one who is resilient, has been at it. She's in the final year. She's been at it for many years. She's being told by every single person that she needs to stop, but she refuses to believe that. It's almost between a wish, a hope, and also at some point I think it's also by force of habit also she's going on, and there is the inner resolve to go for it, and I think achieve it at any cost. So I think she's just relentlessly and in her days just doing this. That's what I would think about it.
Perfect. Sadhan aaya.
But not us. Mithila, we always pushed you.
Oh,
We never asked you to
Yes,
stop.
yes, y'all were not the.
not everyone.
Other than the two, other
Exceptions.
than her 2 homies, her 2 friends,
Homies.
everybody else.
Homie roomies.
Homies, roomies.
Yes. So now we have a food quiz. और इसमें ऐसा है कि one from Gujarat, one Gujarati and one non-Gujarati would be pairing up.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
Oh,
okay.
non-Gujarati is very varied, bhai. But
No, he's
but
meant.
I-
No, I mean,
you and he's Gujju and you're not.
अरे
So
हम
you're
दोनों-
both pairing and
Yeah.
we're both
Yes.
pairing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you both are foodies.
Y-
So I'll divide you.
Oh, is it?
Oh.
Yes.
So then,
So-
I am not a
Rishma
foodie.
would-
Yeah, these
So
two
I am-
Rishma would be
foodies.
pairing with Sayan.
okay, so
Oh,
the both
okay.
of us are pairing.
So do we need to
ठीक
sit
है.
next to each other?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, all right. So then
Sarak.
you both
I'll
are
go there.
swapping. Yeah.
अरे but I am with the biggest foodie I know.
So you can start.
I'm the worst.
No. It is answer first वाला thing.
अच्छा हाँ. So whoever answers first gets the point. So it will be
Do we have
added.
a
हम लोग पैर
Do we
में-
have a
No,
buzzer?
no, no.
Yes.
Just speak
You
it
are a
loud.
team.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, we are
so
a
how do we
team.
answer?
Just speak it loud.
You just speak it.
The first
Acha,
person
we
All
have
right.
to put a hand up.
No. Nothing.
Shut
Ready?
up. We need
So
to do this. Sayan.
I'll give the brief of the game.
I'm counting on you.
कि मेरे पास देसी गुजराती रेसिपीज के कॉम्प्लेक्स इंग्लिश रिडल्स हैं.
ठीक है.
I'll give the riddles.
Gujarati
आपको
stronger है
फूड
थोड़ा.
कौन सा फूड आइटम है you have to guess.
ठीक है.
It's a food item. I have no idea.
But Gujarati है.
मैगी चाय इतना ही आता है.
चलो let's start.
Okay. So first question is, I am simple, humble, yellow and white.
Dhokla.
When
Thepla.
you are unwell,
Come on.
खिचड़ी.
khichdi.
Let's go.
Yeah.
When you're unwell with what?
When you are
Yeah,
unwell.
is what I.
Okay, so are we supposed to listen to the whole thing or no?
Yes,
Well,
yes.
if you want to.
I mean, if you can just guess
we
it
are-
in the first
if we are
word.
ready.
Randomly throw out, or you're going to be little bit.
Okay, we're not going to randomly
Okay, so
throw.
you-
So we can
अच्छा,
try.
then let's start saying
loser.
Thepla.
I know.
I have been bothering up.
Everyone can have one
For the
shot
camera.
rather than
You can't
multiple.
keep saying.
Yes.
You can't keep saying. ना कुछ भी फिर
Do
तो
one
बोलते
thing, just
रहेंगे.
finish it and
Whenever
then the
एक
first
shot.
person says it.
No.
Yeah, you get one shot.
Yes, you get
No,
it.
no,
Keep saying.
But
One turn.
once I finish it, you then
Ah,
you-
yeah.
It's
Then
his
we'll
game,
say.
let him- You okay with us
Yes, so
taking
I
multiple
asked.
answers?
Yes, but once I finish the question,
Okay.
then
Just
That's
one
the
answer,
rule.
ना?
Sure.
Multiple नहीं ना?
multiple.
दूसरों
This
को
this
बात
score we got.
Yes,
This one
you
we
you
have.
have got one
We've
point.
got 1 point now.
Okay. So the next is, I am fried and spiced with masalas bright, served in fairs and streets at night. Crunchy, tasty and salty blast, I disappear from your plate so fast.
Samosa.
No.
ढोकला.
नहीं नहीं.
It's crunchy and it's fried.
फाफड़ा.
Fafda.
Fafda.
Fafda. They get one point. Yes, so the next is, I sizzle and bubble in thick, deep oil. Besan is my base and I love to
भजिया.
correct.
But finish तो
But
नहीं
you
किया
should-
आपने.
Let it
तो ये point
Okay,
हमने
I'm
okay, this
just
goes
being
fast.
cocky.
हम तो आपका
This goes
This
fast.
point-
भजिया
we were
भजिया.
listening to you
So-
Shrey as per your
But
rules
this
and
point
regulations.
would not go to any.
Okay, ठीक है,
अरे
चलो.
बट ये लोग
Let's be
को एक
fair.
बार बोलेला ने
हाँ, हाँ,
यार.
yes.
टॉप भजी
No, but
भजी.
never mind. After the rule,
आपसे
we
आगे
should have
आपसे
been listed.
आपसे नहीं बोलूंगा बट एक बार उन्होंने बोला मैं नहीं बोला ठीक है.
but तभी
इतनी
rule
मुश्किल से
established
तो
नहीं
था.
हुआ.
अभी equal हो गए.
वही
हाँ.
इक्वल हो
So
गया.
With 1 all.
1-1.
2-1.
2-1 है.
अच्छा,
I
you
gave
can-
that
okay,
one
ठीक है,
to
ठीक है.
you people, so I'll give that
Fine,
to
Shrey.
you. Okay. So I am a sweet gesture, grainy and soft, made with ghee, and I am loved a lot.
And you are?
On Diwali,
Loved a lot, हाँ.
on Diwali plates, I rule the scene. I am every Guju's festive queen.
हलवा.
बूंदी लड्डू.
काजू कतरी.
जलेबी.
गुलाब जामुन.
हलवो.
It is a sweet.
Say it
नहीं, वो तो
again.
सब-
Say it again.
Okay, I'll say it. I am sweet, square, grainy and soft.
सुखड़ी.
बर्फी.
It's nearer to sukri.
Okay. Say it again.
Made with
गौर
ghee.
पापड़ी.
No.
नहीं
सोन पापड़ी.
सुखड़ी तो ये
I
था
don't
गौर
know
पापड़ी.
this word.
Say it again. Say it again.
मोहन था.
Mohan tha.
मोहन था.
Yes.
What is
This is just like guessing anything random.
What is this, Mohan?
Mohan
था.
tha.
What is it like a burfi?
It's
It is
a
a sweet.
Today
yeah,
we'll
similar
eat
to
it.
a
I
burfi.
can't believe I got that.
Today we'll take it.
Please make us taste it.
Well, you guys are so ridiculous. I'm the last person
But
who
we
should
don't
know
know.
about
We've never
food.
heard of this. Huh? Chalo, next.
All right.
Very
next.
big letdown.
I am mashed, spiced, and shaped into fun.
Is shaved
Shaped into
Shaped into fun.
Into fun.
into fun.
Mashed, fried, and shaped into fun. Fried till golden and second to none. Sometimes I come in pairs or solo. Eat me fast, I am gone tomorrow.
बड़ा.
Very near.
Badi.
बड़ा पाव, बड़ा ही.
दाल वड़ा.
I can give this to
Then
you.
give them.
हाँ.
This bata ka vada.
Yeah.
बटा का वड़ा. Correct.
Vada.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Impressed.
वो महाराष्ट्र है ना.
Ah. बटेटा वड़ा.
So we are 3-2. I have 3 more to go.
Okay.
All right. I am a sugar bomb rolled with ghee. Festive, round, and full of glee. You will find me at weddings too. Guess my name. I am sweet and true.
Gari.
No.
अंजीर रोल.
You are going way too deep. It is very simple.
Say it again. Say it
रोटी.
again.
अरे आदि यार 1 second यार.
Why are you
Malpua.
playing? Why are you
1
playing?
second यार.
And
Malpua.
whose team are you playing from?
Calm down
No,
CA
no.
साहब.
Can you repeat it?
I'll repeat the
Again.
question. I am a sugar bomb rolled with ghee.
Okay.
Festive.
अरे लड्डू.
Laddu.
sugar ball है यार.
Random laddu.
Brilliant.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
एक तो
Last
भूख लग रही है.
I am tangy, crunchy, often raw. Sprinkle me on bill, I get the awe.
I know.
I am lemony, chatpata, and oh so good. Without me, no street food good.
Carry.
No.
नहीं?
You sprinkle it also.
Some chutney. Some chutney.
कमरख.
Can we
नींबू.
मसाला.
नींबू.
चाट
नींबू.
मसाला.
Chaat masala.
Okay.
हाँ.
Yeah,
बोल
but
सकते.
And it's not crunchy.
But it is
Adi,
sprinkled.
we are winning this,
Fail.
okay?
Wrong question.
Whose team are you on? Once again. No.
So now it is 3
So
all.
it is 3.
नहीं.
Yes, 3.
Three all.
3 all कहाँ से? 4th हुआ मैंने लड्डू को
कहाँ
बोला.
से
हाँ,
हुआ?
लड्डू,
Three
लड्डू.
all.
फिर?
So 4-3. It is
Oh, अच्छा.
4.
हाँ.
Sure?
4-3.
Yes.
I think
Last
it's
one
4-1.
ना.
If you guess this, I'll have a tiebreaker. If they guessed it, then they
Oh
are
shit.
the winners.
Okay. You're in our
Then
team.
Winners pay
Yeah.
for the next food. we
अच्छा
order.
चलो.
Okay. Spicy and sour. I make your mouth tingle. I go well with puris, never single. From mango to lemon, I can change with every bite I real. Pickle.
Oh yes! Wow! So now
Amazing.
we have a tiebreaker.
So yes, I have a tiebreaker question for you.
Okay.
And it is that I am made with besan, soft and yellow. Roll me tight, I am a smooth.
पूरी.
Khandvi.
Khandvi.
Buddy.
No, let's
Buddy. Yeah, look at them.
Okay.
Non.
Look at our faces.
खाना मिलेगा.
Come back.
Yeah, what a great comeback.
Yay.
Amazing.
मैंने इनका भ्रम तोड़ दिया.
आपका ये
been doing this
podcast में
since
एक
morning.
अच्छा joke था वो हो गया.
ज्योति,
पास वाला.
I love you. It's gonna be all right.
Yes. So thank you very much.
Thank you भाई.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shrey.
Thank
Being
you
a
so much.
part of Baatcheet. बहुत मजा आया.
बहुत
बहुत
मजा
मजा
आया.
आया.
Thank you.
And the film is releasing on 27th.
7th June. 27 June.
Well done,
Yeah.
CA Sahab. Where are we looking?
Yeah.
Well done, CA
Well done,
Sahab.
CSR.
Well done, CA
27th
Sahab.
June.
On
27th June, Friday.
In
This
theaters.
Friday.
In
Yes.
theaters. Please come watch our film. We made it with a lot of love and a lot of passion. So